Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode in your Instagram app using your Android 9 device. So I'm in my Android 9 device and using Android Pie. Let's go to setting, about phone. Okay, as you can see I'm using Android version 9, Android Pie. Okay, let's proceed for Instagram. Okay, as you can see I can see my Instagram in normal mode. To activate the night mode, what I have to do, I have to go to the Android setting and I just have to turn on the night mode, and by default your Instagram is turned into night mode. So that's so simple, that's it. If this night mode feature is not working in your device, you can try to update your app. Like I updated my Instagram app and I'm a beta user, so join Instagram beta and update your app. Okay, let's go to the app version page. As you can see, my version is 114.0.0.38.120 and updated on 7th October. So guys, join beta program of Instagram and update your app, and I hope your night mode will work in your Android 9 device. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.